Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your value proposition with Klaviyo, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the account section. Click on the settings tab in the left sidebar. Select value proposition from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see your current value proposition listed. Review the existing text and identify areas for improvement. Consider what unique benefits you offer to your customers. Draft a new value proposition that clearly communicates these benefits. Make sure to keep it concise and impactful. Once you have your new text ready, click on the Edit button. Enter your new value proposition in the text box provided. Be sure to reflect your brand voice and tone. After entering the new information, take a moment to review it for clarity. Once satisfied, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Your new value proposition is now set. To see how it looks in your emails, navigate to the Templates section. Choose the email template where this value proposition will be featured. Edit the template to incorporate your updated value proposition. Preview the changes to ensure everything looks good. Finally, send a test email to yourself to check how it appears in a real scenario. Make any final adjustments if necessary. Now you've successfully reset your value proposition using Klaviyo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.